Princess Kaguya Rookie Pitchers Challenge. Toto High School, a high school that stands in a corner of the city. There was Kazuya Hinata, who lived a normal high school life. Kazuya was trying to walk the path to becoming a professional baseball player, his dream from his boyhood. However, Kazuya, who could not achieve so much results as the main force of the baseball club, was about to lose confidence. One day, when Kazuya is walking along the river as usual on his way home from club activities, he enters the cave as if guided by a mysterious shine. There, Kazuya meets Kaguya, a beautiful girl. Kaguya tells Kazuya that he is the daughter of a heavenly being and has to go back to the moon. Kazuya is surprised, but he is drawn to the charm of Kaguya, and Kazuya was gradually attracted to Kaguya, who continued to refuse all the gifts sent by rich people and scholars. In the end, Kaguya will be forced to return to the moon. Saying goodbye in tears, Kazuya decided to abandon his dream. It was to show off the last pitching for the month of Kaguya's return. The pitch was like an angel descending from the sky. Kazuya returned to the earth again, hiding his feelings for Kaguya in his heart. The end.